Hello guys, welcome back to Diana Anкудинова, her Fly on Wings of Wind performance, which I'm gonna be reacting to today. So yeah, very excited for this. I have reacted on Diana Ankudinova other performances, so do check those reactions as well. And I have reacted on Shaman, his new song yesterday, so do check that reaction as well. And let's get right into it. Please subscribe for more amazing content, and let's get it. Okay. A vocal range as always. It's very good. It's in Russian language. Yes? I don't think this song is in English. I think this song is in Russian language. So, yeah. Man, her low pitch, the way she's singing this. Ooh, just felt goosebumps, man. The judges are also amazed by, her talent. I don't think at this point they know that she is Diana Ankudinova, but you can tell it's her. Even if you don't see her face, just by her voice. Her voice is very unique. I have to tell that, you guys. You know, her, she has performed in different styles. Her vocal range, man, you're always amazed by her vocal range and her singing. So yeah. Let it like that, you know. Okay, so yeah, man, that was the performance by Diana Ankudinova, and I really enjoyed this performance. not gonna lie. And you know, you're always amazed by her singing, and that's a fact. You're always mind blown, always, you get goosebumps. So, yeah, what can I say? Let me know what your thoughts about this performance and my reaction, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, subscribe, like, and share. Peace.